Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to share LinkedIn profile link. If you want to share the LinkedIn profile link, you have to follow the steps. So I'm using a browser, but then you could also use an application. The procedure will remain the same. On the web address bar, type in linkedin.com and then enter in your credential, log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will be directed to the home page. There is no difficult method in order to share a profile. All you need to do is make sure that your profile is complete, and then you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. After which, you'll be taken to the dashboard section, and here you want to click on the profile from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to your profile page, which will look something like this. Now, as you can see that this is how it's gonna look like. Now here in the top left hand side corner, you could find this arrow icon. Click on it. As you press that, you could either go ahead and share it through different platforms like Facebook, Messenger, or all of that, or you could also go with a Gmail. Or else, if you want to click the more button, you could either click on private share, or you could also go ahead and copy the link and share it on different platforms. This is the way to share your LinkedIn profile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.